Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on your iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. So the first step is go to your mobile setting and on the top bar search here ringtones. So on the third row ringtones appear. You have to click on that. After clicking on ringtones, there are a lot number of ringtones appear on your screen. So you have to scroll one by one and see the sound of the and hear the sound of your ringtones. Whatever you like, you have to turn on that on your mobile phone. So the ringtone of your mobile phone is set. So here you can see there are a lot of ringtones. You can see and you can hear the voice one by one after touching them. So here you can see I'm pressing on ringtones one by one. There are a lot number of ringtones. There is also an option that you can customize your own ringtone vibration or anything as you want. If you want to put sound on your ringtone, you can also put on in a song anything you want. Here you can see create a new vibration. This is a vibration with your ringtones. You can select any vibration. There are 6 to 7 vibrations, a different vibration. Everyone has its different sound and peak. So if you want to create new vibration, let me tell you how you can create your own vibration. You have to press on vibration, then tap on a screen anywhere, any. As you can see, I'm tapping on a screen. These are circles appears on a screen is the vibration of the phone. So this is how we record our own vibration in your phone. Hopefully guys you like this video, enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the next video. Hope so you learned from this video. This is very easy video. You can easily change the ringtone of your phone by following steps. Hope so friends you learned from this video. In the comments below please write okay if you like this video, and thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with me for the next video.